The pandemic, if anything, has only expanded the pilot shortage, so things are happening much quicker as far as the demand for pilots. Now is one of the best times in history really to get into aviation, especially as a pilot. Great part about being in the cadet program is we were kind of kept in the loop as far as what was going on here and how Piedmont was responding to the pandemic, and honestly they did an excellent job from our perspective, and it really helped reassure me that I made the right choice. Now that I've completed the cadet program, I would say the biggest thing the cadet program gave me was confidence going forward. That really helped kind of keep me going on some of those long days, especially right in the middle of the pandemic. I know I have a place waiting for me there at the end. As soon as a class date was announced, they were like, here's your date, you have the materials, we're getting you in here, here's the last bit of paperwork, and you're all set to go.
First flight of the day, so all the origination stuff that you
So there was a couple main components of training. First off, we started with our in-dock training. That was the first week of training. After that, we would come back, and it was about 2 more weeks of systems and non-aircraft specific training. And then we went straight into procedures training, and then simulator training. All in all, it was right at 2 months. They do an excellent job at taking you through step by step and really build you up to fly the jet. It's going to come with time. It may seem like you want to know everything on that first day, but taking a little extra time, it goes a long way. And nowadays they're sending out, especially to the cadets, some material to help them prep for training. Have as much of that as you can memorized, because it alleviates some of the stress later on that you could focus on piecing it all together. Trust what your instructors have taught you. The training department here is absolutely awesome. First time taking off is definitely an interesting feeling. We started out with a few jump seat observations of a crew before you actually fly the aircraft, so you see what's going on. But when you're at the one at the controls, it definitely feels a little surreal for a moment, and you gotta bring yourself back down. You've got 50 passengers behind you, and you gotta make sure you're doing your job. It's honestly a great pilot culture. Everyone's looking out for each other, and really that's the big thing. They're here to help, they're here to support. We know what our job is, and we want to help and support each other, make sure we're safe. You find what you love, even if you're questioning it as far as the amount of work, the finances. There's ways to work through it. There's great scholarships, and there's a ton of great people in aviation that are there to help you. And now more than ever, the industry has a very large demand for pilots. If you get out there, keep working towards it, it's going to pay off tenfold.